Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NDPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okupiye, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, go through this channel, and there are lots and lots of videos there for you. If you have anybody that's having challenges in maths, you can refer and direct the person to this YouTube channel where we solve problems on maths, covering a variety of topics, and breaking it down to easier steps, for you to be able to comprehend. So we have a question on the board. If you don't find, you can pause the video and attend the question and come back to the video. Alright, so let's get right into the question and solve it together. Alright, so the question today is on variation. The first thing you want to do before you solve any problem in maths is to identify the problem. When you identify the problem, it gives you an edge. All right, so we are talking about variation or proportionality, which we know we have a direct inverse, joint variation, and even a partial variation and all that. So, all right, to solve this problem, let's analyze, understand it, and solve. All right, so the question says y varies directly as what? The square root of what? N. So let's represent that statement. I have y, okay, this is a sign of proportionality of varies, okay, directly as what? The square root of n. Alright? If it were to be inverse, we'll say y varies directly as. Okay? You put your inverse of the square root of n. But this is what direct variation. This is not inverse. Whenever you have inverse, you have to put 1 over. Okay? So this is our first step. Now the next step is we are going to introduce a constant, okay, k. Now how do we do that? We are going to change this to equal to, now when you do that, you bring in the constant k to multiply whatever we have here, which we have is what? Square root of what? Alright? Now we've done this. This is very important, okay? This is our law or our relationship, okay, between y and n. So the next thing is you want to look at the equation and observe this. Okay? And y is equals to 4 when n is equals to what? 4. So with that, we can be able to find k here. Now let's find k here. So I'll make k subject, okay? So I have y is equals to k multiplied by root n. I will make a subject. I'm going to divide here by what? Square root of n. And I'm also going to divide here by the square root of n. So these will cancel out. This is 1, 1. So you can see that we're left with what? K, which is equals to what? Y divided by what? The square root. Now with this relation, we can be able to find the value of k, given that y is equals to 4 when n is equals to 4. So let's include that. Y is equals to 4 divided by what? We have n is 4, so the square root of 4. Our k is going to be 4 divided square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 gives us 4. So we have 4 divided 2. This can cancel out. This is 1, this is 2. So our k is 2. Now, so this is our first basic step. Now, after getting k as 2, we are going to input it here. So let's do that. So our law is going to be y is equals to what? K is 2. So I have 2 square root of n. So this equation is all that we need to be able to solve the problem. Alright, so from this, we can now find what? The question says find y when n is what? One whole number what? 7 over 9. Alright, so what we need to do is we just need to input this value into this law or the relationship connecting y and what? N. So that will give us, so our y is equal to what? Okay, we have 2 multiplied square root of what? What's our n? 1 whole number 7 over 9. So 1 whole number 7 over 9. So you just need to simplify this. So we have y is equals to 2 square root of. We are going to change this to what improper fraction. So 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 we have is 16, divided by what? 9. So from that, we can now simplify further. So we are going to apply a little bit of sword here. So I have y is equals to 2. Now for sword, if I have square root of a over b, okay, we can distribute the roots to the numerator and to the what? Denominator. So we are going to do that here. So I have this times square root of what? 16 divided by what? Square root of 9. Alright, so y is going to be 2 over 1 times square root of 16 is what? 4, and square root of 9 is 3. So 2 times 4 is going to give me 8, and 1 times 3 is going to give me 3. So this gives us our solution to this problem. But in case you may see your answer in mixed fraction. So how many threes do we have here? Okay, we have, we can still say y, we have 2, okay, threes, which is 6, remainder what? 2 over 3. So in exam conditions, you may find this as your answer or this as your answer. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and send this video to someone in need of help. I'll see you guys in my next one.